Windows Lock, also called Game Mode on HyperX keyboards, disables the Windows key to prevent accidental interruptions during gaming. Disabling it restores the Windows key's functionality for productivity tasks, accessing the Start menu, or using shortcuts like Alt-Tab. Some HyperX keyboards, like the Alloy FPS series, feature a physical switch to disable Windows Lock. For keyboards without a switch, press the Fen and Win keys simultaneously to toggle the lock. An LED indicator on the keyboard typically shows the lock status, with red light for locked and no light for unlocked. For advanced control, use HyperX Ingenuity software. Download it from the HyperX website and install it on your computer. Open Ingenuity and select your keyboard from the available devices. Navigate to the Settings or Game Mode section in the software interface. Toggle the Windows key lock option to off to disable the lock. To toggle the Windows key lock using Ingenuity software, start by opening the application and selecting your keyboard profile. Next, navigate to the Advanced Settings section within that profile menu. Locate the Windows key lock option in the settings. Switch the option to Off to disable the Windows key lock. Finally, ensure you apply the changes within the software interface. This method works well for newer, compact models. To verify that Windows Lock has been successfully disabled, first press the Windows key on your keyboard. The Start menu should appear, confirming the key is working again. Next, test the Windows D shortcut by holding Windows and pressing D. This should minimize all windows and show the desktop. Finally, test Alt-Tab by holding Alt and pressing Tab. This should display an overlay allowing you to switch between open applications. If the Windows key still doesn't work after disabling the lock, start by ensuring your keyboard firmware is up to date through the Ingenuity software. Open the Ingenuity application, navigate to the Firmware Update section, and install any available updates for your HyperX keyboard. If the firmware is current, try resetting your keyboard profile to default settings within the software. In Ingenuity, go to the keyboard settings, select your profile, and choose the Reset to Default option. If problems continue after these steps, completely uninstall and reinstall the Ingenuity software from the official HyperX website. Download the latest version of Ingenuity and follow the installation instructions to ensure a clean setup. On wireless HyperX keyboards, disabling Windows Lock can affect battery life. If you primarily use the Windows key, be mindful of battery drain. Consider re-enabling the lock during extended gaming sessions to conserve power. HyperX is moving towards AI-assisted software controls and deeper integration with gaming platforms for the Windows Lock feature. Keep Ingenuity updated for optimal performance and compatibility with Windows updates. Expect to see improvements in adaptive lighting and voice command support in future releases.